Here's a small hack for connecting in the round. You know, when the pattern calls for casting on 100 or more stitches, and then it says connect in the round and knit, blah blah blah. The thing is, the cast on is very small and it's easy to get lost in the twisting, and it's stressful to try to follow where is the right way to connect it. And also, beginning to knit at the far end of the cast on, it can be a bit stiff. So what I always do is I turn and knit one row before connecting in the round. It just relaxes me because, for one thing, it's looser to begin at this end, and for the other, it gives you a more substantial edge to look at when connecting. If you compare just the cast on with one row, this is much more visible. The nightmare of connecting in the round is that you somehow make a Möbius, that it's twisted and it doesn't join correctly. I don't think it's any difference whether you're starting technically from the right or the wrong side of the cast on. Doesn't really show very much, and you always have your end to graft the join and it looks perfect. So this has two benefits for me. It's more relaxing because it's easier to start the row, and also it gives you a better edge to work with to make sure that you're not twisting. Let me know if you tried this and how it works for you.